to show you how to play Because He Lives. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of G, and it starts on a D. The melody D, B, C, D, G, B, A, G, E, A, G, E, D, E, D, C sharp, C, D, B, C, D, G, A, B, C, B, C, B, A, B, A, G. Then we're into the chorus. D, G, A, B, B, C, B, A, G, E, A, G, E, D, D, G, B, A, D, G, A, B, C, D, B, A, B, C, E, E, G, C, B, B, C, B, A, B, A, G. Now most of your left hand is going to consist of G, D, open fifths on G, G, D, G, and D, A, D, D, A, D. And then occasionally a C, G, C, a C chord. So most of it is just right in there. So let's get the introduction. Now the introduction, I'm going to take that last phrase and we'll put a chord in there. A G chord with G in the middle. So you got E, G, C, D, G, B, B, C, B, D chord, D, F sharp, A, B, A, D, and G, then a C chord, and this is going to be a D7, because we're going to have D, A, C, D, F sharp, and your D7 is D, F sharp, A, C. So we're putting the D and the A down here, the C, D, and the F sharp right there. Now let's put that together, and very slowly so you can see the introduction. There you just go G, D, G, down to D, A, D, back to the G, then to the C chord, and then the D7. And there's the melody, starts up. Comes right out of that D7. D, B, C. So what I'm doing there is I'm hitting that open fifth G, D, G, then to a major seventh, to a seventh sound. Just walk it down. Now I like to go down to the C there because it gets that rich sound. And if you want to, you can stay up right there. Doesn't matter. You can play the C down here or the C up here. As long as you play that C chord right there. Now here we're going to walk it up. G, A, B, G and B. G, D, G, A, G and B. Now there we're going to go all the way down to that D. And we're going to have a D7 sound. We're going to have, because of that C, we're going to have that D7 sound in there, but just walk it up to the F sharp. So there we're going to walk it up. G, D, G, A, B, G, A, B, C. So see there, I played the C up, and you can play however you want that. You either want the bass sound, the real rich sound, or the close harmony. But either way, we go to the G here. Down to the D, D, A, D, G, D, G, C chord, G, the G chord with the G on the top, B, D, G, C chord, C, E, G, G chord, B, D, G, B, D, G, in the position where the third of the chord is at the bottom. Here's your G chord, G, B, D, and we're just going to play it with the G on top and the B on the bottom. Then we come right out of that with the chorus, D, G, A. Now there again, I'll get that same thing we did at the beginning. G, D, G, walk it down, F sharp, F, B, C, B, and G. Now here, if you go down right there, it's going to get in the way. So if you go up to the C, see, then you're getting in the way. So you're better off to go down right there. Then you've got room for the chord. So let me play that together. Make it more rich because you can come up to the C and hit the C and the E here and then the chord. We'll walk that up. G, D, G, A, B, D. Now there, you can go down to the D right there, but this one I like it to sound up here close better. I like close harmony. The letter notes, I've got it written so you can go down so the hands don't get in each other's way, but listen to it both ways. Now listen to it with the close harmony. So that one I like to go up to the D and then D, A, D, C sharp, C, and then you get that little dissonance right there from the 7th chord with the D going right back to the G. Now this is kind of cool here as the melody goes up. So you go G, G, D, G, then you go to an F sharp and an A. So you've got your 7th chord. You've got your 7th chord implied with that C right there. So you're an F sharp and the A, and then a... Okay, now we're going to get a G7 implied because we've got the F, B, and the D. So, now this one I do like to go down because I can get that C, G, E. I can roll it all the way up to the E. And then we're going to end it with a tag here. So play this G, D, G, and then C chord, G chord. And if you want to, you can play it in the left hand. You can just sustain that note right there. There you have it, Because He Lives by Bill and Gloria Gaither. I hope you enjoy it. It's a beautiful song.